OnlyWoodFloors, specializing in perfection since 1984.
This is Jose from OnlyWoodFloors, and this is Stan Slavin. And if you can just describe how things went today, sir.
Good afternoon. They came early this morning, and they were on time, on schedule. They very well blocked off the rest of the house when they did this floor, and so there was a piece of plastic right here that was very nice, and it kept all the dust down in the rest of the house. As you can see, they sanded this floor, which was an engineered wood floor. It didn't have very much on it to sand, but they sanded it down as much as they could and as little as they needed to. And then they put on several coats of Varathane after they put down the new stain. And they made the stain almost match up with the floor that we already had, because this floor was different from the original floor that we have that I'm standing on. So it was all very good, very timely. Their price was right. Their timing was perfect. So here we are with the new floor. I can't go in there for a day because it has to dry, and I can't move in for another day, but hey, that's good. We have our floor redone. It looks very nice, and I thank you very much.